The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to see that how we can promote our affiliate offer or CPA offer affiliate products for free without having any traffic or without spending any dollars, without doing any PPC or without having any website. How we can promote our affiliate offer or product to a target audience. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates and giveaways related to digital marketing and other stuff. So here we have to select our affiliate product, and here we have to focus on which offer is about 100 to more than $100. So you can come over to ClickBank. As you know that ClickBank is the largest affiliate marketplace with a bunch of affiliate products. So if you have an account, or if you want, you can create an account here and get affiliate products from here and able to promote. So after we come over to your ClickBank, now here you can see in the marketplace you have an option for filtering. So filter that initial sale to 100, and you can see there are some offers. These are the health and fitness type of offers and beauty related offers which are above $100. So here we are going to choose this type of products. You can see that for this product they are giving us all the useful stuffs for affiliate this product. You can see they are providing us the banners and the email swipes and all what we need, all the assets they are going to provide us. And you can see the gravity is also great. So you can select your product from here. But if you are not able to get the product according to your criteria, then you can go over to another marketplace. I mean, you can go over to CPA marketplaces. For research your offer, you can come here in Offer Vault and in search here your related, I mean your desired offer. So there are so many CPA marketplaces who listed their CPA offers in this platform, and here you can filter out which offer you're going to promote. So basically here we are going to target three niches. One is beauty, one is weight loss, and I mean two. Okay, so we can go with the two verticals, and after we filter with that, here you have to select the payout, and you can see the payout is a bit higher. So we are going to select which is between $100 to $500, this type of offers. So after we select and check out all the offers, here we have to create an account in CPA marketplace to promote these offers from Offer Vault. You can see all the details here of an offer. So if you find out a good offer for promoting, so you can check out all the details here. If you want to promote, so you have to create an account in that CPA network. So after you select a CPA network and get your offer tracking link, now it's time to promote. So here we are going to use one of the largest search engine network called YouTube. You know that in YouTube we have all the audience related to target products. I mean target audience related to our affiliate products. Now whenever we search with fitness or weight loss, I mean the keywords, we will see YouTubers that are related to our affiliate products. Now you can see this this YouTuber are promoting fitness related videos. So as our product is related to nutrition or diet product, so we can contact this influencer to promote our offer. So for finding one by one in YouTube those influencers is quite hard. So here we are going to use this website called HEEPSY. So after I will put the link in the video description, so you can get the ad from video description and create our account. Now after create an account, you can type here your keyword and hit enter and search. You can filter out all the details like locations, number of subscribers, average view per channel, and all the possible details. And when you search with those, you will get all exact data what you can use for promote your offer. So save all the details. Now here you can see these are the YouTubers who promote beauty related videos in their YouTube channels. You can see their subscribers and average views. So if you are able to get their premium version of that software, you will able to see more of this. Now here we can see that this YouTuber has pretty much good amount of subscribers, and also her videos get much views, so we can contact them. Now go for Poud, and you can see they already submitted their business details here in the description. So if you are unable to find email from here, you can go for this one. Just submit just fill that captcha and you will able to get that email address for that particular YouTubers and save that. So you can see that if you upgrade your account in this website, you will able to get all the contact information. So you can see that here we had their Instagram as well, so we can contact them directly for influence marketing, for collaboration with us. You can see that she's getting much more engagement in her Instagram account. So this software help us to get influencers who are really engageful in Instagram. Will get from here. This really helps us to find out the best influencer. So I recommend you to get that upgrade account of this website. Now let's go with our product, what we are going to promote here. So this match our affiliate product. So let's check their videos, how many they have views, and the last videos and the views. So if you see that this is a mid-range and we can collaborate with them, so we can just go for Poud and find out their email address, and we are going to email them. Now what we are going to send the message, let's see. We can send all the same message to all the influencers. So first we have to get all the influencers emails in Excel sheet, and one by one we have to send over all of them our email, a message. So let's see what we can send them. You can use your current Gmail account to talk with them, and here you have to keep here the influencers email, and in subject line you can type that a business opportunity on talk, and here in description you have to type like this, that you have to tell them your name, or you come from that company, what offer you are promoting. If you are promoting any offer, you can promote any offer. Just tell them that you are the marketing manager of that product, and convince them that you are you are going to choose him for promoting the offer, and if he does, then you will give him this type of benefits, that you will get some shares for sale or something like that. So most of the mid-range influencers get highly accepted this type of offers without having prepaid, pre-amount, so you can do with them. Now here, after they accept your agreement, you can just send them that link what they should they should post in their story or in their videos. So this way you can uh, do a business with those influencers and get a good amount of um, leads for yourself, and you can give them share. So all the mid-range, I'm telling you, all the mid-range influencers are best for this. So I hope you liked this video, and if you are having any confusion, just comment below. I will answer your questions. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.